Umphathi webhange lombuso uLiseja Kganyago uchaze uTito Mboweni njengomholi obeqotho kwaze kwaba sekugcineni njengoba beyingxenye enkulu ekwakhiweni kwenqubomgomo yakuleli.
Tito always talked about developments in the country, and he was a policy junkie. Tito was addicted to policy. Even when he had left the policy space and was now, for all intents and purposes, in the private sector, he still expressed very strong views about policy on all aspects of economic policy as we know it.
UMboweni ubekhonze kakhulu ukuxhumana nabantu bakuleli ezinkundleni zokuxhumana, ethanda nokufaka izithombe zakhe epheka ngemuva kokuthatha umhlala phansi kwezombusazwe, kanti ubekhonze ukweseka nokuhambela osomabhizinisi endaweni. Lena ngenye yezindawo zokudlela abekhonze ukuzivakashela.
He used to actually talk to me a lot about the labor laws and the finance part of the business. He used to talk a lot about that as well. And above all, we used to chat a lot about his boys, the kids. Yeah, we used to talk about everything.
UMboweni uzofihlwa mhla ziyi-19 ngempelasonto ezayo eTzaneen, eLimpopo.